Attessa IV. Beautiful.
Then we got Chantal over here and then Curtis. It's not Chantal, you mean? What is it? Natasha, pretty much the same. Got an age. Close. Curtis, and I got Sue over here, and I got Angie over here, and I got my friend Senior. I got Senior, and I got Jeff. And then I got Dennis, Maddie, and Beth, and also got
Our
Linda
tour guide's
and
remembering
Ricardo, which is
all of our names. There's
Ronaldo.
40 passengers on board, and he's remembered all of our names. Quite
there,
incredible.
And also Rayleigh, and I got
This ship is the
Ryan,
Attessa IV.
and I got another Ryan. And I got another Ryan, and then Danny, and also got Dale over here, and Carrie-Ann, and my friend, you know, I tried. What is mine again? Excelente. My amigos, thank you so much. Where is the magic hat?